Perhaps one of the most important parts of developing your test preparation strategy is to determine what works and what doesn't. I want to start with what doesn't work and get that out of the way so you can focus on what works. Highlighting or underlining text, despite being simple and quick, does not improve test performance. And yet this is what so many people do. Some studies have shown it actually hurts performance because it emphasizes the literal comprehension level and does not add to the critical or evaluative level that leads to meaning making. Another problem with highlighting is that most people highlight too much, which then leads to a simplistic literal level rereading. And rereading of text is a second thing that you should not do. Don't mistake the multiple levels of reading for deeper comprehension we encourage you to do in the Reading for Deeper Learning section. Simply rereading highlighted text or even simply rereading your notes at the literal level will not help. You need to go much deeper and consider the following activities that will help and that do work. Self-testing. The best way for you to pass a test is to practice a test on your own. Flashcards, test recall, answering sample questions are just the starting point. Distributed practice. Remember that exposing yourself to information a minimum of 5 times over a 48-hour period is just the start. By continuing the review process over multiple days, you can maintain retention. Elaborative interrogation. By asking yourself questions like, why does this work this way? Why does this make sense? Why is this true? And so on, you'll make those meaningful connections that will stick. Self-explanation. This is an expansion on the elaborative integration, which includes you generating explanations of what is learned and how you've made those meaningful connections to what you already know. The more of a connection you can make to the real world, the better. Interleaved practice. When you alternate a variety of different types of information, types of problems, or look at ideas from different perspectives, you'll strengthen your meaning-making process. By this point, you should start to see the connections to the other parts of the learner's mindset study skills approach, like space practice, effective note-taking, and reading for deeper learning.